With over 25 years of experience, American Steel Structures can provide you with a variety of high-quality commercial or residential metal structures. Agricultural, auto shops, aircraft hangars, barns, barn dominiums, carports, churches, garages, houses, industrial, manufacturing, mini storage, outbuildings, RV covers, RV garages, storage buildings, warehouses, workshops. We provide the greatest upfront pricing backed by our price match guarantee, as well as unequaled customer service, support, quality, durability, strength, and honesty, as well as a 5-star rating and an A+ BBB rating. American Steel Structures ensures you 100% complete satisfaction with any of our steel building options. Make American Steel Structures your first choice for all your steel building requirements. We provide experience you can rely on. Each of our structures is constructed entirely of American commercial-grade steel. Each facility maintains strict quality control throughout the construction process. All of our certified structures are guaranteed to fulfill the structural loads in your location and can be designed to withstand even the worst circumstances. We can include any required technical drawings. Every steel structure purchased from American Steel Structures comes with free shipping and installation. Installation staff are courteous and professional, and they receive specialized training to ensure that the construction process results in a spectacular structure that you can be proud of. Call American Steel Structures today to speak with one of our pleasant and educated steel building consultants about our metal buildings. Buildings constructed by American Steel Structures are safe, robust, and aesthetically pleasing. We provide cash purchases, rent-to-own choices, and simple financing. Call us today for our free steel building catalog and quote.